Welcome to my channel, Southern Yankee. I was filming a video a minute ago, like half of a video. I just came back like you guys had been greeted by me, but you hadn't. Welcome to my channel. My name is Terry. So I got this a couple of days ago, and I didn't even know it was coming. So we're gonna get into it. This is my FabFitFun, I assume. I don't know if this is summer, if this is fall. I'm not entirely sure, and I'm not sure how to open the box either. Oh, right here. Okay, let's get into this box and see what's in here. This is a box I'm not sure I'm going to continue to keep getting. I'm curious how yours are. I used to love getting this box and felt like I really got a wonderful value, but lately it's been just meh. So we'll see if this time they can redeem themselves, because I'm getting to the point where it's like, I don't know that this is worth my money. I end up giving, you know, most of it away, and I'm just blowing my money, you know. So anyway, let's get in here and see what we have. Okay, so it looks like it's the fall box, which fall is my favorite. Yes, this is the fall box. All right, we do have something in here from Daily Harvest. I'm actually very interested in Daily Harvest. They have those shakes and stuff. You can get 40% off, or $40 off your first box. So I may hold on to that. A little wine thing, a little garbage. Let's see what we're gonna look at here. Okay, first thing I'm opening. These are for the dryer. I probably will use this. These are those, I think, those wool dryer balls. Ethically sourced, handmade in Nepal, 100% organic wool dryer balls. So I think these are to, I've heard of these, haven't used it, but I think this is for static, to control static electricity. Like instead of using a dryer sheet. Look at that little curly piece of hair. I forgot to straighten. I'll just tuck you back there for now. You know, I'm gonna go back and straighten him because it's gonna annoy me. All right, so there are 3 of these little dryer balls, and they come in this cute little thing, so you can keep them in here and maybe hang them on the wall when you're not using them, or just keep them in right in your dryer. I'm sure that would be fine. So I'm gonna take a look. I don't know, sometimes their stuff is hard to find, like what you could get. I'm gonna see if they have in here prices on the items that I have. Let's just take a quick looky dookie. Do 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 do. I don't see it. No, 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 no. There's crispy chicken thighs with kale croutons and fall salad with lemony brown butter vinaigrette things in here, recipes in here. Okay, maybe this is it. Oh no, those are exclusive offers. No, okay, so we're just gonna go blind. I don't know how much that cost. All right, next thing in here is a vegetable chopper. I probably will not keep this. I just gave a Tupperware one away because we did not use it, but it is a vegetable chopper. I mean, that might be something I can give as a gift to like one of my kids that might actually want to use something like that. This I need very badly because I have an incomplete set. So this is measuring cup and spoon set, and this is very much appreciated. So this must be like a kitchen edition or something. So this is going right into the kitchen. Hold on. It's taped together. I like the colors of it too. It's like got the greens and the blues that I like. Very peaceful. Okie dokie. Get this out of here. And you can see it. Goodness gracious, they really had that packed up. Okay, so you get a complete set. I really needed these. This is what I needed because we have like mismatched. I don't know where all my pieces are. And then also you got the little teaspoon, tablespoon ones as well. Also needed those. So that is a keeper for Teddy. So two items I can use, one I can give away. This is probably a sample. I do use this. This is wonderful. My doctor recommended this. Last 8 hours works in 1 minute. This is Lumify. This is to make the eyes whiter. So if you struggle with, having your eyes not white, Lumify is fabulous for that. You should not do this when you have contacts. So for me, I'll put it at night, wake up, and I have beautiful white eyes. Also, that makes you look younger. So go get you some Lumify. Not sponsored. All right, next up, number 7, Resurfacing Peel. 15% glycolic acid, skin feels smoother, and dermatologist approved. So that's something that I'll definitely try. And that's a drugstore brand, so anybody can get that. All right, so far this is not a bad box. These sunglasses, I just broke 2 pairs of my sunglasses. These are Lily Sadoe sunglasses. Let's try them on. They look like cat eye style, which I like. And they got like a tortoise shell coloring, which I also like. You guys see? And cut this off. Okay, let me get these up close so you can see the coloring on them. Very pretty. Little cat eyes. And they're tinted. What do we think? Do we like? They're kind of cute. I'll definitely wear those. I probably won't keep the case that it came in, because I never do, but they'd probably stay better if I did. All right, so we'll just keep those right there for now. And then it looks like there's one more thing in here. And again, this whole entire box is mostly stuff I'll use. This is a Phantom Chef 8-inch non-stick fry pan. Look at this. Let's see what color we got. This is something I won't use, Robert will use. I don't really cook, but he can use it. Again, this would also be a great gift for one of my children if we don't need it, and we really don't need it. This is a small one. This would be good for my son, Tyler, who is living on his own. It's a beautiful blue, so it's a nice male color. Something he's like. It's not pink for him, although I don't know that my kids would even care. But that's really nice, non-stick, and it's got like PBA, whatever, you know, like free, and PFOA and PTFE free, and all that stuff. Wash thoroughly before use. So that's really, really nice. I may give that to him. I don't want to show Robert. It's got a beautiful wooden handle too. I don't know if I showed you guys, but it's got a beautiful wooden handle. If I show Robert, he's going to say, oh, we'll use it, but we don't need it. We don't need it. I tried to get rid of some of our stuff one day, and Robert was behind me pulling it all back in. So now I've learned that when I have to declutter, he can't be home because he's part of the problem over here. So, all right, so that's not too bad. I think that was actually a fairly good, I think I got it all, a fairly good FabFitFun box. You know, would I have bought that stuff? I mean, I would have bought this. These I need. They were going to be bought at some point. Maybe not the set, but I would have bought them. But these are all, to me, very useful items. I do think since it's a fall box, they could have put something fall inspired in here. They could have put a fall candle in here, a fall throw, or I don't know, something a little more cozy. This was definitely all kitchen inspired. I mean, there is the number 7 spray peel. The little sunglasses are cute, and then the wool balls, but it's mostly like kitchen stuff. So I think they could have done a better job making it more fall. You know, like summertime would have been the time for the sunglasses, a summer box. Summertime would have been a great time for suntan lotion and like beautiful, or bronzers, or I mean beautiful things for summer that, you know, seeds and planting and things that you think of in the summer, and beach, and then fall you're thinking pumpkins and cozy and checks, and you know, I would have liked to see something like that in the fall box. But I'm not unhappy with it because I have all items that I believe I can give as a gift or I can give away. So that makes it worth it to me. So, all right, friends, well, that is it for the video. Let me know if you got this box, if you got the same items or different, and what your thoughts are below. Are you gonna continue with FabFitFun, or is it a drop? So keep or drop, let me know. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.